Hi, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung kailan nyo... Ay, ulit kagi. Ayan. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung kailan nyo ba mapapanood ang video na to. Tayo na, let's start. Kanina, napakinggan natin kung ano nga ba yung background and history ng state and trait integrational model. Ngayon, dadako naman tayo sa topic composition. Meron tayong 5 topic composition. Ito ang inter-individual level, intra-individual level, local heterogeneity, and local homogeneity. And the last, ang pinakalas is unique personality structure. Hello guys! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung kailan nyo ba mapapanood yung video na to. And also, ito yung continuation ng report namin about integrational model. Yung topic composition na to is mayroong 5. Ito yung intra-individual level. Sunod is intra-individual level. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. Hindi ko naman kasi alam kung kailan nyo mapapanood tong video na to, but I'm sure na hopefully nasa maayos kayo. Mag-continue lang tayo ng ating reporting about sa topic natin, no, na trait and state of integrational model. Dadako na tayo sa topic composition. We have 5 topic composition. Ito yung inter-individual level first. Second is intra-individual level. Third and fourth is homogeneity and heterogeneity. Yung 5 topic composition is entered individual level. Yung pangalawa is intra-individual level. Yung pangatlo is local homogeneity. Yung pang-apat is local heterogeneity. And yung pang-lima naman is unique personality and structures. Yun. 5 lahat yun. Hello po. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po sa ating lahat. Kung mapapanood nyo man to, yun. Hindi ko kasi alam kung kailan at anong oras nyo to papanoorin. Ginawa ko tong video na to para naman kahit papano is ma-report namin yung topic namin. Ang haba na 21. Hello po. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Sorry. Hello po. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po to everyone. Ito na po yung continuation ng aming report na tahog dito. Yes, i-report ko na po. Kanina, pinag-aralan natin yung background and key concept ng report po na state and trait integrational model. Ngayon po is dadako naman tayo sa saan tayo dadako? Topic composition! Hello po! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po. Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung anong oras, oras? Anong oras? Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone. Hindi ko naman alam kung kailan nyo mapapanood tong video na to. And ito lang yung continuation ng ating report. Ito yung topic 33. Ito yung State and Trait Integrational Model. So, kanina, napakinggan natin yung background and history ng topic na ito. So, ngayon naman, papag-aralan natin yung topic composition, kung ano nga ba yung nilalaman ng report na to. So, first is, we have 5 factor na topic composition. It is inter-individual level. Sunod is intra-individual level. Pangatlo is local homogeneity. Pang-apat is local heterogeneity. And panglima naman is unique personality in structures. So, dun sa lima na yon, papag-aralan natin yon sa ngayon. So, ano nga ba yung inter-individual level? So, kapag sinabing inter-individual level, pinag-uusapan natin ang pagkakaiba ng traits.